I'm guessing if you're watching this video or if you signed up for this email list, you're interested in making videos. Maybe you want to make videos to help tell a story or share your work, or maybe you're wanting to further your organization's mission or reach a new audience. Whatever brings you here, welcome. I'm so excited you're here. Now, let's get started. Oh, gotta get stretched out. Ow, that was my back. Hi, I'm Sarah Langworthy, and this is Video Your Way. Video Your Way is all about making good videos to help you reach your goals and meet your needs, your budget, and your life constraints. Video Your Way is primarily for people or organizations who are maybe a little newer to the video making process and want a little structure and guidance on how to make videos creatively, strategically, and on a budget. If you want to learn some basic essentials for making good videos, or if you're wanting to finally launch that video project you've been just mulling over for ages, then this is the place for you. Or maybe you're just curious about my process for making videos for myself and for my clients. Totally cool. If you're already a proficient video creator, you might not get as much out of this first initial series, but have no fear. I am continuing to develop content and will share it out via this email list, so stick around. Really, our goal over the next 8 weeks together is to help you make videos your way. Beginning tomorrow and then over the course of the next 8 weeks, you'll get an email from me every week with a short video covering a different phase of the creative process for making videos. If you're watching this video as a subscriber to my YouTube channel, hi, I recommend that you go over to this link and get signed up for the email list, because not only will you get this video delivered to your inbox, but also some additional resources as well. But if lurking is more your thing, that's totally cool too. I'll pose some questions to ponder and share some jumpstart activities each week to get you actively working towards your goals. Now, this doesn't mean that it should take the full 8 weeks or only 8 weeks to make your video. You can go at your own pace. I'm not the boss of you. I picked 8 weeks because it's a nice even number and because it's not so huge that it felt overwhelming to create. Oh, those SMART goals. And I thought it fit nicely with the topics that I wanted to cover in this initial series. Now, all the stuff I share over the course of the next 8 weeks is completely free, and you're welcome to share it with others. Though it'll probably make more sense if they start from the beginning, so here is the link that you can share with them so they can have their own 8-week video making adventure. And after the initial 8 weeks, I'll be emailing you a lot less frequently, probably like once a month or so, with some other resources and tips and questions to ponder to continue to expand your video making skills. Also, just a heads up that I'm not going to dive super deep into a lot of the technical aspects of like the equipment that I use or how to optimize your YouTube channel in this initial series. I've also written an article about what tech I use and what I recommend for video creators who are just getting started. There are also a million resources out there about the more technical side of making videos, so if that's of your interest, pop open your internet search window and go nuts! But I plan to spend the next 8 weeks of this series really diving into the process of planning and creating a video from start to finish, using kind of more conceptual and practical perspectives rather than the technical ones. I'm planning on including a lot of this content I share here in future Video Your Way workbooks and online courses, which means that I need your help. You're in on the ground level as I'm building this thing, and I could really use your help to make it better. So if you'd be willing, please provide some feedback on what made sense and what didn't, and what additional help you'd find useful at the link over here. Lastly, I want to share with you the Video Your Way golden rule. Videos do not have to be perfect to be meaningful. As such, I make no claims to the perfection or snazziness of the videos that I make about this topic. In fact, take this video. You probably saw that the light changed 15 times because this is what filming in November is like. Am I gonna go back and refilm everything? No, I'm not. You're gonna find as you dig around in this rabbit hole of video making that there are things that I don't know and things that other people are gonna recommend you do differently. That's fine. So, are we ready to do this thing? You'll get your first email tomorrow to get started on the Video Your Way program, but in the meantime, if you're itching to get started, you can head over to the link on the screen to see the questions to ponder and the jumpstart activity for today. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in some one-on-one guidance on how to meet your video making goals, let's talk. You can reach out via the link over here for a free 1-hour consultation with me. And if you're on the hunt for some other resources about making videos, be sure to check out this link, which has my how to YouTube and video production basics resources, along with some other stuff too. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time, and now go forth and make some video your way.